If you want to enable or disable the sidebar on the Motorola signature, what you can do is you can go to settings. Next over here, we just have to scroll down a little bit in order to find gestures. And then in the gestures, we can find the sidebar over here. Now we can tap on this setting icon in the bottom left corner, and we can choose which apps we want to have attached to the sidebar. So we have a couple of apps already added. If you want to, you can tap on them in order to remove them from this list. And of course, you can keep tapping on apps that you want to have over here on the sidebar. You can of course also choose tools and contacts over here in order to have a quick access to these apps. If you tap on the setting icon in the upper right corner, we can find some more settings. Like for example, we can add recent apps as well and some other stuff in here. And of course, the sidebar itself can be activated by using this switcher over here that we can find in this menu. The sidebar is positioned on the right side by default. It is a little bit transparent, so you might miss it by accident, but as you can see, it is over here. So we can slide our finger inside to the phone, and as you can see, we have our sidebar opened. You can also tap on these dots that we have at the bottom on the left side of the sidebar in order to open the full list of apps that you have on your phone. And of course, besides that, we have the setting button as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.